This is the Raw Curls conditioner. This conditioner is amazing. It's very thick, like a conditioning treatment. So it comes with a pump. You can choose to use that or just take the cap off and squeeze it out of the bottle, I find is what's easiest. It's a super moisturizing product. You can rinse it out. You can leave it in the hair. That's up to you. I like to leave a little bit in the ends many times because it's going to give you a little extra moisture and conditioning. But the way that you're going to apply it is I like to work it from the ends up to the top of the hair. So most of us need moisture from root to end, but more so on the ends. So that's where I start to apply the product, and I work it through the hair with my fingers like a comb, detangling as I go. You might need to add a little more water to it, to your hair, I'm sorry, not to the product, to your hair, and then you could add some more conditioner as you go to fully detangle. But you'll feel it soften as you're working it through the hair, and you should be able to fully detangle. And then you can rinse it out. You can either do a quick rinse, a complete rinse, or rinse it out and put a little bit more back in your ends. So it's a very versatile product and super moisturizing. You're gonna love it.